Here is Brooke, 2 months old. Hi, baby girl. Are you gonna talk? Are you gonna talk? You gonna drool? Woohoo! Do you hear brother playing with his trains? Hi, baby girl. Hi. Gonna talk to mama? Yeah. Ooh. My goodness. Look at that double chin. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes. I think so too, Ladybug. I think so too. Ooh. Hi. Getting fatter. That's what we like. And sleeping really good, huh? Huh, baby girl? Oh, you're so excited. Oh my goodness.